In my previous lecture, I gave the link to download others. I'm going to show you the link again. github.com/sajjad. You go there, you will see 3 repositories. You have to click on those. And then, if you are a developer, you can clone this URL from HTTPS. If you are not a developer, then you can simply download zip folder. So if I click download zip, it will download my whole files. To run this application in your local computer, you need to download another software called xampp, and it's free. So let's see. xampp download. It will show some Google result. It's a privacy reminder. I'll do this later. And then you can click the first link, download xampp, and go there. I'm showing this example from Windows machine, and it shows 3 options here: 5.5.3, 5.6.9, and 7. Well, when I created this tool, I used 5.6 PHP version, so you can click download this software. It will start downloading, and when this download is finished, you can click on this software and it will start run this installation. I have already downloaded the software, so I can cancel it and show you already from my download folder. Let's go to my download folder now. Here it is, my xampp. I double click, it should start installing the software. The same procedure can be done in both Linux and Mac too. You can download the Mac version of xampp, or you can download xampp also. It's particularly same. And in Linux, in different distribution, can be Ubuntu or some other distribution, you can download xampp there too, or lamp. Where the procedure is same both for Linux and Mac. It shows user access control. It needs administration password to run this installation, so I click yes. It should show another window to choose some options from this installation process. It shows a warning message. It's okay if you press OK. Then I will choose all the default options for next. Next is going to install your software in C4 directory in a xampp folder. So if I click next, it's not empty. Most probably I installed xampp before. So if I go there, computer, I have a xampp folder, so I can remove it. So okay. Next, yes, it's going on. Setup is now ready. So if I press next, so the installation is going on right now. I will show you the exact window after the installation is done. This is the window looks like after the installation, and if you see, it says, do you want to start the control panel now? Basically, it will show you some Apache PHP control panel. Yes, I want to open it, so let's click finish. Shows 2 options, either English or Deutsch, Germany. I want to save, and then you will see actually a control panel. It has few options: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. Remember, you only need one service to start, that is Apache, and you can click start here, it should start. If it doesn't start for you, most probably your Skype is open and it has conflict. So I will say you can quit your Skype and then try to start it again, Apache only, and then you can start your Skype. But usually it shouldn't have any problem to start this Apache. So the next step is how we can run our undost and also relate this XAMPP. Basically, undost is built on PHP, Elasticsearch, and some JavaScript code, and PHP needs to run from the PHP and Apache server. So I'm going to my download folder again. I can go to my undost folder, download it. Yes, downloaded. You see, undost is downloaded now. 2 items. It's not that a big file, and you need to keep this undost folder in your XAMPP folder. So if I cut and then go to my computer, my XAMPP is installed in C drive, so I go to XAMPP folder and try to find out htdocs. Also, everything that you should look into clearly, I'm showing it as a pop-up also in the video so you can follow along exactly. So go to htdocs folder and then paste it. This is a zip folder, unzip it, extract all, and I will just say it undost only, and then extract. It will not take that much of time. So we can see extraction is done. We go to undost. There's an undost master folder. I prefer to take all my files, cut, and paste it here instead. And then we can remove this undost master. Okay, so now we have undost folder and undost master zip. I also want to remove this zip folder too. Okay, so we are actually in the process of starting our undost service. Okay, so one more thing is left, and this is a crucial part for Twitter application to run from this undost folder. Okay, if you have any question actually regarding this setup, please ask anything in the discussion forum. I'll help. Okay, let's continue this installation process again. So go to XAMPP, Apache, and then conf extra and try to find out httpd vhost.conf. Open it, maybe with Notepad++. I have Notepad. You can ++. You can open it maybe WordPad or Notepad, whatever. Also, you can open httpd conf. Okay, here search for vhost. Find next. Okay, look for if there is any, this sign is there in front of this vhost line. If it's there, remove it. Otherwise it's okay. So what are we going to do here is we are going to create a virtual host. Maybe for this course you don't need to know what virtual host is, but we are just one time setup we are going to do. is you're going to find out name virtual host. You see name virtual host 80. Remove this, and then there is an example how it works actually. So you can remove 80 there, host 1, host 2. Let's do this. So if we remove this virtual host, server admin is not necessary, but you can do it just for the purpose of doing it. Server admin, you can just keep it as it is now. Document root is undost. So xampp, we can say undost. Server name is local.undost.com. Local.undost.com. You can copy it. Server name, remove it. Server alias, there is also that symbol. Can copy there. www error log, not necessary. Custom log, not necessary, but you can actually remove those logs if you want. You can just copy paste these things. It's not gonna harm you anyway. So okay, there it is. And finally, this last virtual host. What we are saying here is if you write local.undost.com, read it from this folder htdocs undost. Okay, finally, let's open Notepad and right button click, run as administrator. Wow, you have to do it. Run as administrator. Yes. File, open, then go to computer, C, Windows, then system 32. There are two folders, system and system 32. Go to system 32. Then search for drivers. Yes. You will see etc, and you'll not see anything here, but you have to click text document, search for all files. There you go. You see a file called hosts. Select it and open. Wow. There you see a lot of information. I will do like this. I'll remove this symbol from 127.0.0.1, and then we'll add one more 127.0.0.1, and actually I have this copy version of that domain name local.undost.com. Okay, so let's see what happens. Now if we come to our control panel again, stop it, start it, it has started. So let's see if our app is working or not. I'm going to write local.undost.com. Well, then you have to sign in with your Twitter account. This page is coming from api.twitter.com. It's coming from Twitter itself. Our app has nothing to do with this. So you give your credential to Twitter, and Twitter will verify if it's correct or not. And then our app will check if you have given permission, and then it will redirect to our app page again, to local.undost.com. So I'm giving this Sanjad Robin. asking to set the password element to it. Okay, so if you come to this page, then you surely know that your app is working good. Finally, in our next lecture, we will show how to run this application 100% perfect. Okay, thank you.